Girish sir, can you rename your identity on the participant list? It's still showing iPhone 13. Ramu sir, I request you to please rename in the participant list. Good afternoon, everyone. I welcome you all for this afternoon session and validatory session of this FDP. I, Dr. H.N. Sholapur, coordinator of this FDP. I take this opportunity to welcome you all. I request Dr. F.S. Dasankoppa Madam, co-coordinator of this FDP, to welcome the delegates and compare this program.
A warm good afternoon to all, one and all, respected eminent resource person and all the delegates who are here to witness this validatory session of 5 days online FDP in the field of pharmacognosy. To start the program, I request Professor R.V. Karadi sir, senior faculty member of our institution, to welcome the delegates as well as the eminent persons resource persons present for this validatory function.
So good afternoon, one and all. A graceful and a warm greeting to our worthy resource persons and most beloved delegates. It's my privilege and honor to welcome you all to this valedictory function of Atal FDP, organized by Department of Pharmacognosy, KLE College of Pharmacy, Hubballi. Myself, Ravindra Karadi, IQAC Coordinator, Associate Professor, Department of Pharmacognosy, KLE College of Pharmacy. I take this opportunity to welcome President of today's valedictory function, Dr. H.M.V. Swami, Professor, Principal, and Chairman for the Unit of Pharmacovigilance Program of India, KLE College of Pharmacy, Hubballi, to this function. I welcome all resource persons who have joined virtually to this valedictory function of Atal FDP. I also welcome Dr. H.N. Sholapur, Dr. F.S. Dasankop, professors and expertise in QPD, coordinator and co-coordinators of this Atal FDP. I welcome all the beloved delegates and my colleagues who have registered through Atal platform to be a part of Atal FDP. I take this opportunity to welcome my colleagues, Dr. S.P. Remat, Professor, Head of the Department of Pharmaceutics and Expertise in Novel Drug Delivery Systems, Dr. S.S. Vannalli, Professor, Head of the Department of Pharmacochemistry and Expertise in Computer-Aided Drug Design, Dr. Pramod C. Gadad, Professor and Head, Department of Pharmacology, NBA Coordinator for MSc Biotechnology and in charge of a Basic Science Research Center, KLE College of Pharmacy, Hubballi. Dr. K.S. Sekki, Professor, Department of Pharmacognosy, Dr. P.M. Ronad, Department of Pharmaceutical Chemistry, and the resource persons, that's Dr. Mirza Beg, Dr. Gaviraj, and Dr. Banappa Unger, and Bojinala, sir, to this valedictory function. Thank you, sir. I once again welcome you all to this valedictory function of Atal FDP program organized from 23rd to 27th November 2021. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir, for welcoming. I request Dr. H.N. Sholapur, sir, coordinator of this workshop, to brief us regarding the conduct of this online 5 days FDP program.
Thank you, madam. Good afternoon, one and all. Once again, respected principal, sir, Dr. H.M. Vishwanath Swami, sir, convener of this 5-day FDP program. Professor R.V. Kardi, sir, Dr. K.S. Sekki, madam, Professor Dr. F.S. Dasankoppa, madam, co-coordinator of this workshop. Indeed, it's a great pleasure to brief about 5-day deliberations from our eminent speaker and active involvement of all the delegates in this 14 different scientific sessions of this 5-day online Atal FDP on translating pharmacognosy knowledge into healthcare system. The aim of this FDP was to apprise the participant on approaches, innovations, and applications on drug discovery from botanicals. We had a session on traditional system of medicine. We had a session which apprised the regulatory guidelines and quality aspects of herbal medicine. The delegates were also apprised about clinical pharmacognosy, prospects and prospective. The FDP was conducted from 23rd November to 27th November. 14 sessions were planned, comprising of 14 eminent speakers from industry and academia to share their expertise on this platform. Day 1, on 23rd November, we began with the inaugural function. Chief guest of this program was Dr. Banappa S. Unger, Scientist E, ICMR, National Institute of Traditional Medicine, Belgavi. Dr. S.S. Jalalpure, sir, was Principal, KLE College of Pharmacy, Belgavi, was guest of honor for the inaugural program. We begin with the session 1 with the eminent speaker and pharmacognosist and scientist, Professor Dr. K.S. Ladda, sir, as a keynote addressee, who spoke on the topic of phytochemical, semi-synthetic, and synthetic analogs in healthcare. Session 2, we had an eminent speaker, Shri M.S. Arun, Director, Celeste Pharma Private Limited and Pina Pharmaceuticals Private Limited, Bangalore. He spoke on the topic, achieving therapeutic equivalence of Ayurvedic drugs of 2 pharmacopoeial drugs. Section 3 was held by a speaker, Dr. Munish Garg, very eminent personality, Professor and Dean, Faculty of Pharmaceutical Sciences, Maharishi Dayanand University, Rohtak, Haryana. His topic was the theme of the FDP, that is translating pharmacognosy knowledge into healthcare system, an overview. Day 2 started with session 4. The speaker of the session was Dr. Mirza R. Beg, Professor, Department of Clinical Pharmacy and Pharmacotherapeutics, Dubai Pharmacy College. The topic of his presentation was risk and benefit assessment of herbal products in patient care. Session 5, the speaker for this was Dr. Salma Khanam, Professor, Department of Pharmacognosy, Al-Amin College of Pharmacy, Bangalore. Her topic was recent advances in quality consistency assessment of herbal drugs. Session 6, that is third session of day 2, was the speaker for this session was Dr. Ravi Shankar, Senior Medical Advisor, Nutrinorm Wellness Private Limited, Bangalore. His topic was clinical studies in herbal drug industry. Day 3, we started with a session on life skill management by Dr. K. Vijayabhaskar sir, Professor, Department of Pharmaceutical Chemistry, Manipal College of Pharmaceutical Sciences, Manipal. His topic was Yoga, a tool of healthy and quality life. Session 8 was by the speaker, Sri Vadiraj Bharadwaj, Formulation Consultant, Injex Labs Private Limited, Bangalore. His topic was New Product Development Inspired by Ayurveda. Session 9, the speaker for this session was Dr. Harsha Karakwal, Madam, Director, MET Institute of Phytochemistry and Phytomedicine, MET University, Noida. Her topic was Challenges and Opportunities in Natural Drugs and Insight. Day 4, session 1 or session 10, the speaker for this session was Dr. Rajendra Bojnala sir, Senior Scientist, Analytical R&D, the Himalaya Wellness Company, Bangalore. His topic was Advances in Phytochemical Analysis, Synchronous with Regulatory Perspective. Session 11, the speaker for this session was eminent scientist, Dr. K. Suresh Babu, Senior Principal Scientist, Center of Natural Product and Traditional Knowledge, CSIR, IICT, Hyderabad. His topic was Recent Approaches in Natural Product Research for Drug Discovery. Session 12, by eminent scientist, Dr. Banappa S. Unger from ICMR, National Institute of Traditional Medicine, Belgavi. His topic was Drug Discovery from Botanicals, Phytopharmaceuticals Perspective. Day 5, session 13, speaker was Dr. D. Nagsami Venkatesh, Associate Professor, JSS College of Pharmacy, Ooty. Topic was Application of QVD in Development of Phytosomes, a novel delivery approach for phytoconstituents. The last session was dealt with the eminent speaker and researcher, Dr. Saeed Ahmed, Associate Professor, Department of Pharmacognosy and Phytochemistry, Jamia Hamdard, New Delhi. His topic was Metabolomics and Ethnopharmacology in Pharmacognosy. So all these sessions we concluded with hassle-free, and all the sessions were very much applauded by our delegates. So I thank the delegates for sharing the platform, sharing their expertise on this platform. On this Atal platform, 134 participants were registered from various reputed pharmacy institutions throughout India. All 34 delegates were approved. All the sessions were conducted using Zoom platform. Everyday links were shared through WhatsApp group as well as through their emails. After every session, we took a feedback and analyzed the feedback of the sessions. All the delegates actively participated in the session. Almost care was taken to start the session in time without any issues of connectivity through the 5-day. I take this opportunity to thank all the resource person and delegates for active participation and to make this 5-day Atal FDP a learning and interactive platform. To make this Atal FDP happen, we'll started rolling 2 months ago to conduct and to implement various plans. I also take this opportunity to thank the Atal support team who were so quick to solve the issues and queries related to the smooth conduct of this FDP. I thank Alma Mater, KLE Society, Belgavi, KLE Academy of Higher Education and Research, Belgavi, and the support team of our college for their encouragement and for implementation of this activity. I thank all the coordinating members to make this event a successful one. I hope the registered delegate could re-equip themselves with necessary knowledge and skill in the field of pharmacognosy and traditional medicine as part of the healthcare system. A kind request to all the delegates to explore the future opportunities and to explore the challenges in the field of pharmacognosy. So thank you once again.
Now, thank you, sir, for briefing us about your 5-day FDP, which was conducted on an online platform. It was indeed a very great experience to witness this. And it's a platform wherein all the 14 resource persons were shared their expertise to 134 participants and delegates throughout India. I can say it was they apprised with the current knowledge as well as the current challenges which are to be taken further into the research. Now, it's a time that to share your views about this conduct. Yes, we have told about us. Now it's a time that the delegates to share their experiences as well as the resource persons to share their experiences regarding the conduct of this FDP. I request Dr. H.N. Sholapur, sir, coordinator of this workshop, to take the feedback from the various delegates as well as the resource person.
So it's an opportunity for the delegates to share their view. Before that, I would like to request a few of the resource persons who has joined this session to share their views about the conduct of this workshop. So can we start with any of the resource persons who has joined?
Okay, good afternoon, everyone. And I wanted to congratulate KLE College of Pharmacy and all the organizers, especially Dr. Pasha for coordinating, and the all the organizers involved from KLE College of Pharmacy. And also it was a good experience learning for us also, because we were listening to the other lectures also. And as far as I am concerned, I had requested a shift in my lecture, and I'm so thankful that they agreed, because we had some visit and in which we had to be there. So, and it was a great learning experience for me also, and I hope the journey will not stop here, and everyone present will continue. The purpose was also for future collaborations that we can do together. So, and some research that, we can publish papers together, publish patents, and also file patents or submit projects together. So I think the FDP should not stop here. We must always move ahead. And I really congratulate. It was such an informative, and it was a very smooth conduct. As rightly said, it was on time and everyone joined on time. It started on time. There was no delay as such in any of the, in any days, whatever I had attended. So thank you once again. Thank you all. Yeah.
Thank you, madam. Thank you for your feedback. Dr. Mirza, sir, would you like to say something?
Yeah, good afternoon, everyone. It's an honor to address you all here in this closing ceremony. At the onset, I would like to thank the organizing committee for giving this opportunity and giving a chance for serving in this FDP talk. And I would like to congratulate the organizing committee for the successful completion of this online program. And I really appreciate the Department of Pharmacognosy to select the eminent speakers on different topics on different areas, which was very informative. And all the faculty members and the delegates, they gained the updated knowledge on the herbal medications. And the main purpose of this FDP is to serve the faculty by endeavoring to achieve the highest standards in their respective fields. And of course, there are some challenges in regarding the use of herbal medications, but with the efforts of the faculty members, with the efforts of the scientists, definitely will overcome these challenges. And in future, you can see that there will be a real use of these herbal medications in the healthcare settings. As I have mentioned earlier, that now it is called as integrative medicine. Even the allopathic medication, they are accepting the use of these herbal medications in mainstream practice. And I would like to stress on one aspect about the integration of various fields for the successful outcome of the herbal research. We should not limit ourselves only to respective departments. We have to collaborate with the different departments, collaborate with pharmaceutics, collaborate with pharmacology, collaborate with clinical pharmacy. Because we have to know that how our research is going to serve the society, how it is going to help the society. As of now, I have seen that they are doing the research and they are publishing for the sake of formality. But it is not coming to the society. So we need this effort that whatever you're doing, whatever the research you're doing, it should be for the betterment of the society. So this you can achieve by collaborating with different departments, collaborating with the clinical pharmacy department, and I suggest that you can change the curriculum, add some new subjects. It's just like having old wine in the new bottles. Like with the collaboration of clinical pharmacy, now we need the safety and efficacy of herbal medications or integrative medication in the practice. So likewise, we can give a new name for these courses so that it can be included in the new curriculum, which is patient oriented. And I have seen that KLE College, especially the PG department in pharmacognosy, they are doing wonders. They are doing a lot of research. They are collaborating with different departments. They are inviting different speakers from different countries. And I have seen that they were presenting their very informative talks in different sessions, not only in FDP, but I have seen in other webinars for the last 1 year, they have conducted, they have invited different speakers. I really appreciate the PG department in KLE. And I hope in future, they'll continue to do so and they can do wonders in this herbal medication. Thank you. Thanks for, again, I thank the organizing committee for inviting me for this talk.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thanks a lot. Dr. Kirti Ladda, sir, may I invite you to say a few words? Banappa, sir, would you like to say something?
Sir, good morning to you and the team. My teacher, Kardi sir there, and Aki madam, and all these delegates and the speakers virtually attending this session of valedictory function. So to say about this, the program, it's a learning experience definitely for everyone. I'm very much happy to say that the program was meticulously designed. I can say very confidently that the topics which are chosen are definitely befitting that the theme of this program which they have kept, translating the pharmacognosy knowledge into the healthcare systems. So that's the goal, an ambitious goal, but we are in the right path. And the organizing team has done a lot of effort to bring the expertise domain, experts from various domains to achieve that goal. I have attended a few of sessions. In fact, I was interested to attend all these sessions, but our schedule for the other activities didn't permit me. I'm really happy. As a learner, I have attended this and I have shared the topic which is complementing to the other topics, because there were experts from all these domains of the various fields, like metabolomics was covered, research components involved in this translating pharmacognosy into healthcare system was from the industry perspective as well as from the research institutions. We are doing an in-depth research in bringing this validation of a validated product into the market. So it's a best combination of an academics, research, as well as the industry. So I was really happy to be part of it, and I enjoyed it. Thank you once again for the organizing team for making such an effort, and it was definitely enjoyed by all the participants, I hope. Thank you once again.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much. The other speakers, eminent speakers, Dr. Syed Ahmed, sir, would you like to brief us?
So thank you very much, Dr. Pasha. In fact, since I'm driving, I will not talk much more, but I congratulate you that you organized and KLE Society organized well, in fact, program, and many people are organizing program on different subjects of pharmacy, but organizing such a nice workshop and FDP in pharmacognosy is rarely we can see. Okay, so that you did well, and speakers from the industry and other organizations are I have attended one or two, but it was very good, and even with my lecture in the morning, I have seen that you informed in time every day. You put some you developed a group, and by which you have connected to each and every speaker. Well, so that was well organized program, and I again congratulate you and KLE team for such a nice FDP. Thank you very much once again.
Thank you, sir. Thanks a lot for encouraging us. Any other speaker who has joined? Would you like to share something before we slip on to the delegates for their feedback? We have some speakers. Meanwhile, I think delegates who have joined, would you like to share your views? At least on the day last day of valedictory, I would like some of the delegates who were active enough to share their views. Dr. Dayanand Kannur, would you like to share something?
A very good afternoon, Dr. Swami sir, Professor Kardi sir, Professor Akki madam, our gurus, good friend Dr. Pasha and Dr. Mrs. Pasha, so Mrs. Sholapur. It has been a great learning. Actually, this has been sort of coming back to the college itself. Being an alumni of KLE College of Pharmacy, Hubli, this was a great opportunity for us to be associated with you again. Having Kardi sir and Akki ma'am on the screen was a great pleasure. And I would really like to congratulate the entire team for organizing this Atal FDP in such a wonderful way. The time slots were managed so well. Punctuality was fantastic. And apart from that, as Banappa sir said, the choice of topics, because it was not only a single standard thing, it was a blend of so many aspects, right from yoga to holistic things, everything was added to this FDP. And people coming from industry have a different perspective. We as academicians have got a different perspective. And this was a perfect amalgamation of all the things. And heartfelt thanks to Dr. Pasha, as well as Kardi sir, Akki madam, and Fatima madam, Swami sir, for such a wonderful organization. Virtually, we were back to the college, but let's hope in reality also you organize something and we'll be able to join back. Thank you so much, sir. Thanks a lot.
Sure, sir. Sure. We'll look forward for that offline session also soon.
Yes. Thank you.
Thank you. Other delegates, please share your views of was it knowledgeable, not knowledgeable. We would like to have your frank opinion on this FDP, so that if anything we have missed out, we can improve upon in the future coming programs.
Hello.
Yes, madam, please.
Good afternoon, organizers and respected Shri Ravindra Kardi sir, my MPharm guide in KLE's Belgavi. Myself, Mrs. Shailaju Gurunani from Priyadarshini, JL College of Pharmacy, Nagpur, Maharashtra. Thank you, organizers, for organizing such informative and knowledgeable FDP. Actually, it always gives a pleasure and it's matter of pride to be connected with KLE's. Each and every session by the eminent speakers were really very knowledgeable. I always gain something new from every session. Basically, FDPs are also for the learners, the teachers which are associated in academics. From every session, I really earned and learned the new concepts. It triggered our mind. Thank you once again to the team KLE's Hubli. Looking forward to attend such programs again and again in future. Thank you, organizers, for allowing us to attend the FDP.
Thank you, Shalju. Huh? Nice to see you. Okay. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Dr. Mamta, madam, would you like to say something?
Yes, sir. Am I audible?
Yes, very clear.
Hello. Yes, sir. Yeah. Good afternoon to everyone. This is Mrs. Mamta Venna from Department of Pharmacology, Assistant Professor. After FDP, keeping in mind, I have worked on herbal formulations and herbal products. And pharmacognosy was in a way related to it, and I had enrolled for the same. I would like to mention here that the efforts taken by KLE group of college Belgavi for organizing such a holistic program where you're talking about the new trends as well. Then what were the limitations from the scientist perspective? The speakers were very generous enough to disclose their findings as well as give an idea about how did they overcome those problems. So that gave a really good insight. Also, the speakers were from different, it was not only from academics, they were from industry. So we got to know the industrial perspective as well from in the herbal formulations and in the herbal product domain. So it was really fruitful, and I, personally speaking, I got good ideas. I mean, I am not completely associated with pharmacognosy, but I could grasp some points, and this would be helpful in the coming future. So thank you for the organizers, as well as thank you to the speakers for sparing their time and giving this valuable information. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, madam. Thank you. Gavira sir, would you like to say something? I think Sujini madam had unmute her microphone. Please go ahead, madam.
Yes, sir. So I'm Dr. Sujini Kamble from Government College of Pharmacy. Sir, actually this FTB, it was very much informative and knowledgeable, but actually my one request, can you conduct the offline FTP in your institution in Hubli? Because I have attended the offline FTP or quality improvement program in KLE Belgaum. Twice I have attended, and it was very nice, very informative, and we could go through so many workshops and then some experiments, etc. So that we can come to your college and we can see all the what are the facilities it's there in your college. But otherwise the FTP was very nice, very informative, and thank you for giving a opportunity to attend this workshop or FTP, sir. And all the organizers, thank you very much.
Thank you, madam. Through this platform, I'd like to say that actually there are two kinds of FDPs, offline and online. We have opted for online this time. Maybe next time, if there is an opportunity, if the COVID kind of situation subsides, we will have an offline also. And I would like to share that all the delegates, I mean, all the participants, all the speakers were very kind enough to again interact, not only on from our institution, for other institutions also. They will be very much humble enough to accept your invitation. If you have such programs, you can invite them. I have already shared their email IDs to you all. So that is what the message they have conveyed. So they will be very happy to share their expertise in other programs also.
Okay, sir. Thank you. Thanks a lot.
Any other delegate would like to share their views?
Yes, this is Dr. Rashmi from Mumbai Educational Trust Institute of Pharmacy, Mumbai. So I am a passionate pharmacognosist, and after listening all those 1.5 hours lecture every day, they were very thought-provoking, and this almost covered, this FDP covered almost all dimensions of pharmacognosy. So it has given a very high position to our subject. One thing, another thing which I liked about this FDP is everything started on time. So time was well executed. Thank you so much for giving such an opportunity. Being online, we could attend this FDP, even if it's there offline with Kelly. We would love to. Why I am saying we? Because many of my colleagues also are part of this FDP. So we would love to attend. Thank you so much for such a thought-provoking and nice sessions. Congratulations, Team Kelly. We learned a lot. Thank you.
Thank you, madam. Thanks a lot. Dr. Jaivir Singh, sir. If you are there, you would like to share something, because you are a very active member. We have seen so many queries from your side. Dr. Ramu, sir, from JSS.
So thank you for the opportunity, sir. As Madam said, if you conduct this type of programs offline, it will be very useful to us, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah. Dr. Chaitra, madam. Yeah. Any other delegates who would like to share, so that we'll relieve all others, eminent speakers who are waiting for your feedback.
Good afternoon, everyone. This is Dr. Sabina Sayyed.
Yes, please.
Yeah. Thank you so much to the KLE organizers for wonderful sessions, and the way the topics were selected, it goes with the academics and also with the research. That was one of the highlight of this program. For the first time I have attended a FDP, and I'm glad that I started with KLE College, which is well known, with the Kokate sir being there, and as a pharmacognosy, it was everyone know, even each and every pharmacognosy person knows that KLE means Kokate sir means the cognosy book. So looking at that, this was well organized, and thank you so much for making us to highlight some of the topics where we can do the research, where we can carry out our research. And along one ICMR, one of the PDF been shared by the sir Pasha sir, that was also been very helpful for all the researchers. So thank you once again, one and all, from the Vishwakarma University School of Pharmacy. Thank you so much.
Thank you, madam.
Thank you.
Dr. Chaitra, madam, I think you are there. You would like to share anything? Dr. Prashant Nayak, if you are there. Okay, any other delegates? So that let it not be only apprising one, or even if it is criticizing one also, it's welcome. If you have lacked something in during our organization, if you have missed something. Yes, Lokesh sir.
Good afternoon, sir. This is Lokesh Gupta from JSS College of Pharmacy, Noida. I am very thankful to KLE Institute for organizing this wonderful FDP. Actually, earlier I have joined so many FDPs, but for pharmacognosy, being a pharmacognosist, this was my first FDP after my MPharm. I have done MPharm in 2011 from JSS College of Pharmacy. So afterwards, I have joined this first. So I have very good experience, and I have seen so many eminent speakers I have interacted earlier. So overall, it is very nice, and the time management was very good, and the topics are very good and very updated regarding pharmacognosy research. So I am very thankful to all of you and all the speakers. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much. Anju Singh, I think she wants to say something. Delegate from VIDA, Christy. I'm not getting the name.
Yes, sir. Good
Yes,
afternoon, sir.
Yes, ma'am.
Good afternoon. I am Ida Christy from PST College of Pharmacy, Coimbatore. So I'm very thankful to you, the team who organized this FTP program, sir. I am a pharmacognosy staff. As a pharmacognosy staff, this program was much useful. Each and every session was in different way. So I understood a lot of things. I'm a senior professor. Anyway, I learned a lot of things. I gain more knowledge. If you are arranging in future in offline program also, you give us a online program also, because it's very difficult to utter in directly. So in all the programs, please contact us and give the link, everything. So I am very thankful for arranging this program. And once again, I thank you, sir. Given me this opportunity also. It was much useful. Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you, madam. Thank you. Urushali, madam, would you like to say something?
Yes, actually, just to add on to everybody else, like everybody else said, being a pharmacognosy person, having a pharmacognosy FDP itself was very wholesome. You had topics which ranged from the core of pharmacognosy to what are the future of pharmacognosy as well. And being an offline program, being organized very well on time, everything about the whole FDP was absolutely wonderful. We have taken back a lot and hope to attend many more. Thank you so much.
Thank you, madam. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Yeah, Dr. Ajay Kumar Surna, sir. So thank you, delegates. It was quite encouraging reviews. Yes, sir. Banappa, sir, please go ahead.
Sir, once again, thank you all, and the principal there, I didn't notice that. Thank you, Vishwanath Swami, sir. But I have noticed one lacuna, sir. Can I?
Yes, please, sir.
You have not provided a tea for any resource persons.
Sure, sir. When we conduct an offline program, we'll definitely provide.
On a lighter note, sir, we are very much happy that it is a really very learning experience. I enjoyed it again. I have missed some of these programs. In future, definitely, I would like to participate. Whatever it from my side, definitely I will be sharing the experience which I am having. In addition to that, sir, I am willing to attend it as a student, and I am learning many things from you all. Thank you very much, sir, once again.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for providing, sharing the information about the ICMR proposals also. I think I have already shared with the delegates, and
yes,
it
sir.
will be useful for the delegates also.
Yes, sir. And on this platform, sir, I would like to invite all these delegates, those who want to collaborate with us. We are going to have a very good facility in the near future. That is by December, we are going to have these big laboratory facilities also, and we are getting high-end equipments also. Definitely, that is an opportunity for all these pharmacognosy people. All these healthcare professionals, in fact. And one more thing, sir, I would like to share on the lighter note. I made my wife to go for this pharmacognosy empowerment. I have that additional responsibility now that if there is, I don't contribute for that pharmacognosy, definitely I will get a teachings from my home also.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for sharing the information. With this lighter note and with this positive responses from all the delegates and from the eminent speakers, we take your leave. And before that, I would like to request the convener of this FDP and principal of our institution, Dr. H.M. Vishwanath Swamy sir, to propose vote of thanks.
A very good afternoon to all the eminent speakers of 5-day Atal FDP program, below delegates, my dear colleagues. It is my privilege and honor to propose a vote of thanks on this occasion. On behalf of KLE College of Pharmacy, Hubli, I take this opportunity to extend my gratitude to AICTE Training and Learning Academy for sponsoring this FDP to be organized at our institution. My special thanks to Atal team, Professor Anil Sahasrabuddhiji, Chairman, Professor MP Punyaji, Vice Chairman, Professor Rajiv Kumarji, Member Secretary, and Dr. Amit Dattaji, Deputy Director, and other eminent members, including a technical support members of Atal, for giving us this opportunity and guiding us constantly to conduct this type of program. On behalf of our team, I special thank from bottom of my heart to Dr. Prabhakar Koreji sir, Honorable Chancellor Kayar Belagavi, Dr. Vivek Savoji sir, Honorable Vice Chancellor Kayar, and Dr. V.A. Kotivale sir, Register Kayar Belagavi, for their constant support and encouragement to make this program a successful one. My heartfelt gratitude to Dr. Professor M.S. Ganachari sir, Dean, Faculty of Pharmacy, Kayar Belagavi, for his valuable guidance in conducting this program. I extend my gratitude to Dr. Sunil Jalalpure sir, Principal KLE College of Pharmacy, Belagavi, for mentoring the organization of this program. I express my gratitude to all the resource persons who are kind enough to enthusiastically accept our invitation and share their expertise at this platform for the benefit of faculty and research scholars throughout the nation. My special thanks to all the registered delegates for patiently attending and actively participating and interacting in all the sessions during 5 days program. I also extend my gratitude to all the faculty members for their cooperation and support to organize this program. I thank very dedicated and dynamic coordinator, Dr. H.N. Sholapur, of this program, and co-coordinator, Dr. F.S. Dasankopa, for their hard work and meticulously organizing and successfully conducting this program. I express my gratitude to Chairman, Organizing Committee, Professor and Head, Department of Pharmacognosy, Dr. K.P. Manjunath, and members of Organizing Committee, Professor Dr. K.S. Hakki Madam and Professor R.V. Kardi sir. I extend my appreciation to all the staff and supporting staff who are on the screen and off the screen for their tireless effort to make this program a successful one. I look forward for such a knowledgeable expertise from all the resource persons and active participation from all the delegates in the future programs to be hosted by our institution. Once again, I thank one and all. Have a wonderful day. Thank you. Thank you.
Dr. Kirti Ladda sir, I think sir has joined. It will be an fortunate moment if sir can share his view. Sir, please unmute your mic.
I'm sorry, sir. I'm sorry.
Yes.
Good afternoon to everyone. And as regard to the FDPs, definitely FDPs play a very important role because I don't think in the routine course we read all that thing actually what we come across, and the kind of FDPs what we have, where you get actually the the varied knowledge in the different direction, and one can definitely shape it up your own future course of action. So from that angle, FDP certainly provides much more better platform. And I think there should be many more FDPs when it comes to a cognosy. I think we need to do a lot, because cognosy is one of the subject actually which is, let us accept very frankly that yes, when it comes to the preference, it is at the the other end of it, and therefore all pharmacognosis, we do need to share a responsibility of taking it to the higher level. And I think the platform of FDP do provide that kind of opportunity. I think we must all seize the opportunity and take it to the next level. There only I think such FDPs do carry more importance and the more sense of having it, and definitely it will help pharmacognosy to come out with a better rather I would put the preference from the student community, and we also enjoy. That's it from my side. Once again, thank you very much to all the organizing committee and the host, KLE Institute of Pharmacy, for organizing a nice workshop, though it was online, and also for giving me an opportunity to put forward my views on the subject and other things which I have presented through my presentation. Thank you one and all once again.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much. We were fortunate enough to have you on board and as a keynote addressee for the program, which build our morale and to go ahead with this success of this program. Thank you, sir. Thank you very much. So, dear delegates, with this we come to an end of this 5-day FDP program. We would like to start with the most important session of this FDP, that is the test for the 5-day program, what we have inculcated the knowledge or imbibed the knowledge in 5 days. So it will be a short test, online test, and with 30 questions which we have framed. And the link for this will be shared to your WhatsApp, and you will be given sufficient enough time to answer these questions. So I hope you will have a very wonderful days ahead and knowledgeable days. So whenever we conduct a program in future, we will definitely like to share the information to you all, and we expect you all to be part of that program. So any queries you have, you can unmute your mic, you can ask me, so that we'll sum up this program. Do you have any queries regarding the test or the FDP? So once you complete your test and the scoring marks, I think 60% is fixed by AICTE, and the attendance for getting the certificate is 80% of attendance. So if you are eligible in both of this criteria, I think you can download your participation certificate. So if you have any query, you can unmute your mic and ask me directly, or you can text me in the WhatsApp group.
Hello, sir, I'm Sujani Kamble. So just can you repeat the rules about the test? Because here there was no network when you were explaining about the test.
Madam, we have framed 30 questions from the 14 sessions. So 60% is the eligibility to clear the test as per the regulations made by AICTE. Hope I'm clear.
Okay, sir.
Yeah.
Yes. Okay.
So we'll send you the link, and you will have a sufficient time to answer the questions. Any other query regarding the test? If you have?
Yeah,
Yes, ma'am.
Sir, the attendance has not yet been updated on the ATL group. So
yes, madam. We did not, I mean, upload the attendance, because you all know if everyone has attended, I think you'll have more than 80% of attendance. Do you have any ambiguity, madam? It is recorded on its own through the software of Zoom, madam. So whatever is recorded, will be putting it forward to the AICTE. If you have any ambiguity, I can clarify, madam.
No, because I was logging in through 2 different devices, sometimes through the laptop and sometimes through the mobile during the sessions because of network issues. So there won't be any question, and the email ID was same actually. So that won't pose a problem.
If there is a network issue, if you have logged in and logged out, those things I think will be considered, madam.
Okay, okay. Yeah.
No, there is an active user recognition in Zoom software, ma'am. The multiple times you log in, it will be taking you as a present for that. There's no issue, ma'am. We'll take care of it.
Yeah.
We'll take care of it from our side. Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, thank you.
Okay,
So
thank you.
we have uploaded all the videos of this recorded sessions on YouTube. I will be also sharing the link of the same. And I have requested even the resource persons to share their PPTs. Whoever shares those PPTs also I will be sharing with all the delegates through email. But you can view the recorded session through YouTube also. Any other query if you have? If you don't have any other query, I think we should conclude this session. So thank you once again. Thank you one and all for being a wonderful delegate and participants of this FDP. Thank you.